Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the prelims of the Pop Culture Quiz presented to you by Quest, the Quizzing Society of Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce. This quiz is presented to you in partnership with Quizadia. I suggest you all to visit their pages. These are the rules for today. There will be 20 questions and each question will be worth 1 point each. Question number 5, 10, 15 and 20 are star marked. The answers will be submitted via the Google form links and also please refrain from Googling. The first question. Amidst a variety of zombies decorated with football uniforms, inflatable duck rafts, and construction cone hats, Plants vs. Zombies originally had a particular zombie that resembled X from one of his most memorable music videos. This zombie's goal was to dance and groove and break into the player's house. After X's death, just 2 months after the game was released, the design was changed to a dash after his estate complained. Post this objection, PopCap made a business decision to retire the original zombie in question. To be fair, the zombie's design was intended more as a tribute than a bad joke. Identify X. Next question. While looking into a missing person case in season 6, episode 11 of Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Jake and Charles come across a house filled with parody paintings of Christ. In the kitchen, they find an artwork that is a representation of the Last Supper, but all the apostles are characters from McDonald's. If Ronald McDonald replaced Jesus in the Last Supper parody art, which character, whose name is also a wordplay on one of McD's primary offerings, and the type of crime that he is associated with, played Judas? Next. Capitalizing on the popularity of Netflix Squid Game, which government entity released this advertisement with the aim to boost their business? I would want the name of the government here. Question 4. X, created by Matt Fury in 2005, is a comic character. He has been heavily memed on social media platforms like Reddit and Discord. In the 2010s, X's image was appropriated as a symbol of the alt right movement, as well as by the white supremacists. The Anti Defamation League even included it in its hate symbol database in 2016, but said that most of the instances of X were not used in a hate related context. In 2019, it was used by protesters in the 2019-20 Hong Kong protests. Despite being used in a political context, its use in Hong Kong is not perceived as being connected with alt right ideology. Identify X here. Question 5. Remember, this is a star marked question. The Pritchard scale of understanding poetry is a simple formula that measures the greatness of a poem. In the PI plane of a poem, one can measure the greatness with the formula greatness is perfection into importance. This theory has a strong critic, a teacher who believed that aesthetics should not be thus quantified, and so he did not shy away from seizing the moment and scripting a RIP moment for the theory in his own inimitable style. Identify this teacher and the act that endeared him to his students. Question 6. Space Force is a Netflix original that centers on a group of people tasked with establishing the sixth branch of the United States Armed Forces, the United States Space Force. Steve Carell plays Mark Nard, whose daughter Erin is often found working behind the counter at the military base's Snack Shack, which took its name from a famous entity well known for conquering a huge feat in this particular field. What was the name of the shack, which is a pun on the name of the aforementioned entity to make it more appropriate? Question 7. Boss Logic is a digital artist who primarily works in the entertainment industry and gained considerable fame in the crypto NFT community and the general populace thanks to his work on the poster of Spider Man No Way Home. One of his recent works is an edit on this photograph of Jeff Bezos and company who travel on the New Shepard rocket. The edit retained Bezos's appearance, possibly deliberately, while modifying the others to denote appropriate members of a similar set of people who also underwent a similar journey. What set of people with an alliterative name was Boss Logic's edit a reference to in the realm of comics? So you all can have a look at this picture. Question 8. In America, special planes transport horses for equestrian events. The name of the flight is a pun on a three-word term associated with another special plane used in America. What is this plane called? Question 9. According to Paul McCartney, the inspiration for this famous song came from what a chauffeur said while driving him over to Lennon's house. To start a casual conversation, McCartney asked, "How have you been?" To which the chauffeur is said to have replied, "Oh, working hard, dash 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 dash," exaggerating a phrase which indicates working on a daily basis. What is the name of the song? Fill in the blanks. Question 10. This popular show's name made promotional tours pretty interesting, as not all TV or radio outlets could say its name for fear of being fined for using profanity. On The Late Show with Stephen Colbert, for example, the name of the show had to appear on screen every time it was spoken aloud to avoid the same issue. Even before the show aired, the creators had to show proofs from phone directories to ensure the production houses that it was a legitimate last name. Which TV show is being talked about? 11. While on tour in India, the band, the Black Eyed Peas, were looking to win over more Indian fans. During one of these interactions, Will I am jokingly said, "Most people don't know this, but Monkey Business and Elephant were inspired by X and Y respectively." Identify X and Y, both of whom we're all familiar with. 12. In 2000, a certain county board of supervisors in California renamed its airport as X County Airport in X's honor. The airport's logo featured Y in goggles and a scarf, taking to the skies on top of his red plane. Identify both X and Y. 13. Ethan Allen is an American furniture company listed on the New York Stock Exchange. This year, its shares have been trading at 50% more than the 5-year average price. This is simply attributed to the performance of a completely unrelated asset X. The public frenzy surrounding the asset had an impact on Ethan Allen only because of the company's stock ticker symbol. Identify X. 14. X was first created in 1998 for a limited amount of time as part of a tie in with Disney's Mulan. In 2017, X garnered a lot of attention when featured on an episode of Rick and Morty. In the episode, Rick revisits a memory of going to Y and ordering chicken nuggets with X. By the end of the episode, Rick reveals that his sole goal is to find more of X. Fans of Y have since created a petition to get X back, working close to 42,000 signatures, while some people have paid as much as $15,000 for a sachet of X. Identify both X and Y. 15. In late 2019, Microsoft beat Amazon to get the Pentagon's $10 billion cloud computing contract. The contract for developing the Joint Enterprise Defense Infrastructure was regarded as a prestigious one, to win and made several headlines throughout the US. However, it was the headline of the Washington Business Journal that captured it the best, referencing a 2017 hit and terming it the dash dash. Fill in the blanks. 16. The IHOP effect was a term the Pancake Company came up with to theorize an 8% spike in their sales during the wee hours of the night. Initially, they couldn't fathom what was causing the spike, but after some market research, they attributed it to the usage of X app at this time. Give me the name of the app. Identify X. 17. A Mool advertisement commemorating a significant moment in the history of art. What does the ad portray? I request you all to have a look at the picture and give me what the ad tries to portray here. 18. X is a German fairy tale known across much of Europe and is today one of the most famous fairy tales worldwide. The brothers Grimm published it in 1812 in the first edition of their collection, Grimm's Fairy Tales. In 2010, the BBC described a burgeoning 2000 crore industry in India as the X syndrome, highlighting the sexist nature of society and a possible colonial hangover. Identify X and which industry are we referring to? 19. Elbow Grease is a children's fiction novel series that is authored by an unlikely but famous entertainer. Released in 2018, it deals with a small monster truck that dreams of competing in the demolition derby race with his brothers who are expert in their fields. The storyline is inspired by the life of the author, who is arguably one of the greatest of all times in his domain and prefers to remain invisible. Give me the name of the author. Here comes the last question for today. The picture below is a two-worded pun on the name of a celebrity X, which went enormous on Twitter trends and also led to a website in honor of the name after it was used by a character on a TV show Y in 2011. This trend resurfaced again in 2021 after the celebrity dropped his latest creation, which the Twitterati jokingly deemed as an inspiration from the above. Give all the three, that is, the name of the celebrity X, the TV show Y, and also the pun involved here. Here's the picture. I would thank you all for participating in today's quiz. Thank you.